So here we are. We're cooking with Chef Bryan here at camp again, and this time we're doing a lunch item. From what I hear, it's going to be campfire chicken nachos, but we'll see what he's got in store for us. Welcome back, Five Angels Outdoor.
Yeah, your mom won't let me make it.
All right, Chef Bryan, lunchtime at camp. What do we got?
Well, gonna make some nachos for everyone, man. So pretty easy stuff. What I did, started with tortilla chips, and I've got a layer here in the pot. I got that chicken that we cooked off last night, put it in the cooler overnight, chilled it, pulled it apart, cut it up. Gonna throw some black beans on this guy, a little bit of avocado. They got some cilantro, green onions, and a little blended cheese. And yeah, basically what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna make 3 layers of this. A little bit of hot sauce as well, I'm sorry. I'm gonna layer this up and do 3 layers and kind of just build the layers, put each little topping in each layer. And then at that point, we're gonna get it on the fire.
Ooh, awesome, awesome. Put extra cilantro in there so Mr. Bill doesn't have any.
Demo around.
All right, looks like we got the first layer in.
So first layer up, I'm gonna go ahead and build 2 more layers on top of this, just like that.
Awesome, looks great. All right, Chef Bryan, are we all layered up here?
Yeah, this is the final layer, man. Just gonna throw some cheese on top of there. We got the fire going over there. Then we're gonna throw this bad boy on there. And it'll all get nice and melty.
Campfire nachos.
I'll just finish it off.
Good, that looks awesome. It ain't easy being cheesy. The nachos on the grill. What's it look like inside there?
Well, let's take a look, man. I think it's getting a little melty.
Oh, it's working.
We're getting melty.
Nice. All right, Chef Bryan, is it done?
I'm pretty sure, man. Got a little melted cheese, nice and hot. A little steam off there.
Nice
Got a little sizzle.
and nice and caramelized around the corners. Looking good.
Let's dig in, dog.
Yep.
Oh, are you gonna eat that?
All right, campfire one pot nachos. Chef Bryan.
Haley, how much do you want?
Looking good. Can't wait to try them.